Today we are here at Main Caesar Road, Amboli and Andheri, checking out 2, 3 and 5.5 BHK newly developed tower. Let's get in. Today we are here at Gurnani Palms, located at Amboli and Andheri, also known as the hidden gem of Amboli, with 2 wings here. As you can see, OC is also received. Very well maintained society with ample amount of space for parking. There's a 3 level of parking out there with all major amenities. Let's check out the ready to move in flats, amenities and much more. Let's get entrance. As you can see here, with 2 elevators here and 2 flat on a single floor. Here you can sit and enjoy. There's the AC out there, full air conditioned lobby, and here more space is also there to gather up. Very well done society. Here's the staircase, and here's the 2 elevators to the B wing area. Now let's get in. So here's the main passage area with 2 flats on a single floor, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. Here's the fire exit out here. First we'll check out the 2 BHK flat. It's a 765 carpet area, ready to move in. OC is also received. Here's the Italian marble. There's the soundproof window, super prime location. There's the St. Day School out there, and on the right hand side there's the Bombay Cambridge School. Here the passage area comes, and here is the common washroom with all premium WC fittings. You will get everything same as it is. Here's the parallel platform kitchen, space for the refrigerator here, and space for the washing machine, 24-hour security, 24 hours water, with all luxury lifestyle amenities, total 15-story tower. Here's the master bedroom with attached washroom, same here, WC fittings, with geyser and everything. And here's the main master bedroom. You can see here's the L-shaped window. Same view also from here. You can even make a 2 BHK and 3 BHK jodi and convert it into 5.5 BHK. Here's the common bedroom. Now we'll check out the 3 BHK. There's the 1065 carpet area. Let's get in. So here's the 3 BHK apartment. Super massive living area with dining area out there, with soundproof window here again and Italian marbles. There's the view from the flat. Very well done construction. Here's the kitchen. On a 3 BHK apartment, you will get everything here. You can see the storage area, ample amount of storage area. There's the common bedroom out there. As you can see in the 2 BHK flat also. Here's the common washroom. On the right hand side there's the second master bedroom, and on the left hand side there's the first master bedroom with attached washroom in both the master bedroom. Here is the first attached washroom here. Super massive size. 2 BHK starting at 2.49 CR plus taxes. For best offers you can contact us. Number is also given in the description. So here's the second master bedroom. Now we'll check out the amenity floor. So let's get there. terrace top to check out the garden here. Super chill out area. You can sit here and enjoy with a beautiful view from here. As you can see, now let's check out the swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area and much more. So here is another area. You can do family functions, wedding, small reception here. A kind of a banquet hall, you can say. You can make it. So here's the swimming pool on a rooftop. As you can see, full running water out here. Gymnasium, one of the another amenities here. As you can see, with all top class equipments, mainly for fitness freaks. There is the parking area with car lift out there. This is a podium level car parking, ground level car parking is also there, and another level of car parking is also there. So there's an ample amount of car parking. Kids play area. Getting such a nice kids play area in today's construction is next to impossible. As you can see, very well maintained.